there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in which these images, like I have put 4 images, and then when we click on one of them, it will zoom, and then another text box with a rectangle appears, and the picture then decreases in size, and our text also appears. And as you can see, this is a really nice template that you can use for travel purposes or similar industry type or businesses. So let me show you how to make this amazing, unique, and like interactive PowerPoint template in just 9 minutes. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, open up a blank slide and go to view and click on guides. Next, we're gonna add about two vertical guides, and we're gonna move one of them to 6 and one of them to the 6 as well, one on the left and one on the right and one on 0. Next, what we're gonna do is adjust them. Next, what we're gonna do is just put them into on 6. The next thing we're going to do is insert 4 images and move them aside, change their height and width, and we're going to increase their size that they cover the entire slide, and go to crop option and crop them that they come into the slide. Again, go to crop option and crop it that it comes in between one of these guides. Be sure to leave no spaces while cropping. Let's adjust our images. Next, we're gonna insert the other image. As you can see, if we put it onto the entire slide, it will not look really nice. So I'll just put it right here like this. Next, we're gonna crop it again, and we're gonna insert another image and fill the entire slide with it. Go to crop option and then click on crop, and then we're gonna crop it into in between the two guides again. Next, we're gonna insert our fourth image. We're gonna put it and chain like just increase the size that covers the entire slide. But as you can see, if we do this, the picture will not look completely in the guide. So we're just decrease size and then crop it that it comes in between the two guides onto the right side. As you can see, it's still going out of our template, so we'll just adjust it that it comes just inside the template. We're gonna send the images to the back, starting from the right side. Next, what we're gonna do is give all of them the fourth number shadow. And the next thing we're gonna do is just increase the shadow size and increase. And next, what we're gonna do is insert text box in just in the bottom part of each of the rectangles or the images. As you can see, this white text is not visible clearly in the image, so we'll just give it a glow effect of white color. Now let's duplicate these same text box and let's use it in the bottom of the other images as well. Duplicate to make it a third one, and we're gonna customize the text in it and then put it into the middle and the center for each of the image. Now let's give them shadow too. Now insert your upper text. So I'll give the title that is 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the each of the images. So the first one is 1. Let's give it transparency from text options, duplicate it and put it onto the second image, and then adjust it and customize it. Now duplicate it and put it onto the third, and change its color to white, because as you can see on the third and fourth image, only black is visible. So we can use white. Now duplicate the slide, and the next thing we're going to do is just move the text everything upwards. That one that is upward, move it upward, and that one that is downward, move it downwards. Now we're going to crop our image that it covers the entire slide, and then we're going to just customize our image and relocate it. We're going to move all of the text upwards and all of this below text downwards. Next, we're going to duplicate the slide and set a rectangle that covers a half of the slide. Move the image to the left side and then crop it that it covers only the half uncovered part that is not covered by the rectangle. We'll give the color of rectangle white. Remove these guys as we don't need them anymore. We're gonna insert a title for this template, which is the name of this city that we're showing in the image. So as you can see, it is Paris. So all this as some context text of this city as well. Let's increase its size and change its color if you want. And I'll put one numbering text box here as well. This is the first template, so we'll just write one in it. Next goes here read more option. When you click on it, more text will appear that describes our city. Next, we're gonna duplicate the first slide and move it just in the end, and we're gonna similarly move the text boxes upwards and downwards, and we're gonna increase the size of the second image that it covers the entire slide. Next, what we're gonna do is just insert an image and then adjust it and crop it if you want. Next, we're going to duplicate the slide and copy our previous rectangle, and we'll just paste it onto this last slide as well. And let's place it into the previous slide again and then move it out of it by holding shift. We're going to customize our text and we're going to move the image to the left side and then go to crop option and crop it into half. Similarly, we're going to paste all the text and then we're going to duplicate the first slide and move it into the last slide, and then we're going to move out the text out of the template and we're going to increase the size of our image that it covers the entire slide. Next, we're going to decrease its size that it just covers the entire slide. And add just to now duplicate this line and paste your rectangle or anything. Customize your text and crop your image into half onto the left side. We're gonna insert our text and change our numbering text box as well. Next, we're gonna change our content text. Finally, what we have to do is copy our rectangle along with the text. Be sure that you do not copy the background images. Now duplicate the slide and you have to duplicate the first slide and move it into the last slide and move the text again out of the slide. Now insert like a what you have to do is just insert the same image. You're gonna crop it and then you're gonna adjust its size, something like this. Now duplicate it and paste your rectangle on it again. Customize your text, change its color, and paste your content text on this slide again. And here you go. So this slide is all complete, except that we will use the eyedropper to give the text the same color as in the image. Copy this rectangle along with the text, paste it into the previous slide, and move it out of the slide while holding shift. Make 4 duplicate copies of the first slide and move them, like you have to move them after each of the template. Next, we're going to go to transitions tab and click on morph and click on apply to all options to give all the templates the morph transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. You can also get the link to my Patreon link and Pinterest account from the link in the descriptions below, and you can also get access to my more best of videos that I have given the links to the description.